Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1980, that is find unique binary string. And in this, we are given an array of strings, that is nums, containing n unique binary strings, and each are of length n. And what we have to do, return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. Okay. And now let's move towards the explanation of test cases. The question states that there will be n strings each of length n. Like in this case we are having two strings and each of our length 2. Okay, so the string per combination which we can form by just using 0 and 1 could be like 0 0, which does not exist, or 1 1, which does not exist. So we can return any of these. Okay, so here the output is 1 1. Similarly in this case, that is 0 0 or 0 1 again. Okay, 0 0 exists in this case, 1 1 does not, or 1 0 also does not. So we can, what we can do, we can return any of these and both will be valid answer. In the case of this, we are having so many strings like 0 0 0 0 1 0. These does not exist, so we can return any of these strings, and that would also be correct. Okay, so what we can observe is that if we are having a string of length 2, if the size of the array is 2 and each string will be of length, that each string is of length 2, so what we can have 0 1 2 and 3. These are the only possible numbers which we can form. And if that is like this, and each string length of each string is also 2, so what we can assume that we will be having any of the two numbers from this range. Okay, so and it's not also like we can have all the numbers, so there is a chance that we will be having 0 1, because these are the only two possible, and we'll be left with 2, because 2 and 3, because we can't accommodate them in the size of array 2. Okay, so now let me explain with the help of pseudocode that how we'll be approaching towards the question. Okay, so uh, yeah, first what we'll be doing, we'll be having a set, and the set will be of integers. Okay, let me just write it, set and set of uh, let's say numbers. Okay, numbers, because I guess nums is the name of the string array. Yeah, nums is the name of the string array. Okay, set of numbers, and what I'll be doing that for s and nums, I'll be typecasting it to integer of decimal 10. What I'll be doing in numbers dot add integer dot passing the int s from the base of 2 to base of 10. Okay, so the set will be having all the strings. Then what we'll be doing, we'll be running a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, and then I plus plus simply. Okay, and what I'll be doing that if the number is not present in the numbers, if no numbers dot contains I, what I'll be doing, I'll be initializing an answer variable which will be of type string, and I'll be doing string, oh sorry, integer dot to binary string. I'll be converting that particular integer to the binary string I, and then because I have to return it in length of like the length of the answer should be n, that is the length of the nums array. So what I'll be doing that while answer dot length is less than n, I'll be appending zeros to I'll be adding zeros before to the answer. So answer will be equal to 0 plus answer. Okay, and at the end I'll be returning answer. And if there exists, there is a very less chance that there is no chance, basically not even very less. For just for the sake of running the code, I'll be just returning an empty string. Okay. So this is how I'll be approaching the question. So now let's move towards the coding window for this. uh, this woman. Yeah. So firstly, a set of integers that will be called as numbers be equal to new as set here that for string num in nums I'll be typecasting it numbers dot add integer dot pass int num from the base of 2. Okay, so then what I'll be doing is for int num equal to 0 num less than or equal to nums dot length. Okay, I guess there I made a mistake. Yeah, here it should be less than or equal to here. Okay, I less than equal to num dot length because like the case explained where the length was 2, there might be chances that 0 0 0 1 exists, but I can check for 2 and 2 would be my first answer. Okay, so I have to run the loop from less than equal to 2 less than equal to num dot length. Then if non-numbers not contained by that particular number, no, what I'll be doing, I'll be initializing string answer equal to new. Oh, no, sorry, not integer, not to binary string. No, because then while my answer is less than nums dot length, I'll be adding preceding zeros to it because that would make no difference. Uh, okay, answer equal to 0 plus answer. And after this I'll be just simply returning answer, and here I'll be returning an empty string. Okay, so let me just run it. Okay, okay, there was a typing mistake. Nums plus plus or num plus plus, sorry, not even num. Yeah. Numbers dot contains dot contains, sorry. uh ans dot, okay, answer dot length, sorry. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.